guys? Legacy 4x4 here, back again. Just got done laying out one side of my roof rack that I'm building for the Wagoneer. Just gonna use 2 pieces of black pipe. It's like 88 inches long. Make 3 bars that go horizontal. You'll see, I drew it all out, you'll see. Or you'll see when it's done, you can just scroll at the end of the video, it's fine. What I'm doing is just, I've got my, cheapo Harbor Freight pipe bender that I'm just bending 1-inch pipe with. It's, Home Depot plumbing pipe, but it's fine. All right, that's what we got so far. I gotta measure out width-wise how far I want them, make sure everything's flat and square with how they're gonna mount. I don't know if I just wanna weld the tube straight to the roof of it, rivet it in, weld the tube to some square plates, then rivet those plates in, or weld the plates to the roof. I don't know yet, I'll figure that out when I get there, but I'll make sure the width is all set and this is all plumbed, and then we'll keep going. Making some more progress. I just got done welding the top side and grinding down the top of how I want the roll cage, and then how I want the roof rack, Jesus. So I flipped it upside down, like I don't have a pipe notcher, so I kind of notched all these by hands, so the notching is not the best, and it's gonna take a little bit to cover the, weld those in properly, grind them down, make sure everything's solid. I call that good enough for a roof rack. That's what I call it. Welds are in place, penetrate decently. I'm not gonna grind it down that much and re-weld all the spots. I just don't care too much as a roof rack, and it's gonna get painted and you really won't be able to tell. Right now I'm trying to determine if I'm just gonna weld the feet. I'm just gonna weld the feet directly into the roof, or if I'm gonna make little rectangular mounts that might, look something like that might mount to the feet. All right, I sprayed it. I was happy with all the grinds and the welds and everything, so I left it as is. And I just sprayed it with 1 coat of the rubberized undercoating that I had, the generic kind. I had like 4 cans left over, so I'm gonna do probably 3 coats on top, 2 on bottom, call it a day. All right, got the roof rack back on the flattest part of my driveway. Yeah, I guess that's where I'm gonna make it. I'm deciding to do feet mounts for each of the feet. So I just had 4 pieces of 24 gauge. I think 24 gauge that I had left over. I'm going to drill in 4 corners of each of them, and I'm gonna rivet that to the roof. That way, at least it's somewhat removable. It's not some big fat weld that goes across the whole thing. Just drill out the rivets. While it's on flat ground, I'm gonna go ahead and get these feet welded in and get the drills, or I'm gonna drill all those plates first, get the feet welded in, and we'll put it up and rivet it in. All right, slight problem. It was like 6 inches too long, and those little mounts I made, I made it a little too wide. I guess my measurements are a little off as per usual. So I gotta cut the feet, so it's just the inside 2 rivet holes that will be riveted in, the outside will be gone. And I gotta take out 6 to 10 inches from past that blue tape. Just got the shortened pieces lopped off, just lopped off, I guess that's what, 18 inches maybe? Lopped off 18 inches off the long end of it, of the roof rack. I just got them tacked on, over like all the rubberized coating and everything, tacked them on, ground down a little bit before I do the final round weld around both sides. I'm gonna cut the feet so they're angled towards the inside. They're angled towards the inside only, to fix that too wide issue that I have. All right, I'll call that good enough for now. We'll get to shaping the rest of these feet, cleaning up the feet, and we'll see how this one measures out. All right. Got the roof rack mostly on. I'm not even spot, just put a little bit of Bondo on it, but let me get up here. Oh, I just riveted in the little feet I made, a little bit of Bondo on the side, and then ground it down. then I'm just gonna paint over it. But like I said, I mean, it's the top, like you can tell like where the welds weren't that pretty and just painted over it. It's the top of it, as long as it's mostly there. So it looks from the front. I really like it, I dig it. And yeah, I'm gonna get to wiring the rest of the truck, get everything nice and clean in the engine bay, because the engine comes back this week. I want to be able to jump right into it. But thanks for watching, guys, really appreciate it. And as always, be sure to like, share, and subscribe.